Imagine having an extra 30% in your bank account at the end of the year. Sounds impossible? Stay with us as we uncover some smart money-saving strategies for 2023. In the realm of financial management, the power of saving cannot be overstated. The potential to save up to 30% might seem like a lofty goal, but with the right strategies, it's more achievable than you think. The key lies in understanding the value of every dollar and making it work for you. It's about more than just cutting back on unnecessary expenses. It's about creating a mindset of financial responsibility and savvy decision-making. With these strategies, you're not only saving money, you're investing in your future and paving the way for greater financial freedom. So buckle up as we dive into the world of strategic saving and unlock the power that lies in your own bank account. Get ready to transform your financial situation with these powerful tips. The first step towards saving is understanding where your money goes. That's where budgeting comes in. Imagine a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat, except in this case the magician is you, the hat is your budget, and the rabbit, well, it's the money you're going to save. Budgeting, as mundane as it may seem, is nothing short of a magical process. You see, the magic of budgeting lies in its simplicity. It's about knowing your income and understanding your expenses. It's about being aware of every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. This awareness is what gives you control, and with control, you can begin to save. Now let's talk about the different budgeting methods. There's the traditional method where you list down all your income and expenses, and then there's the envelope method where you allocate a specific amount for each category of expense. Then there's the zero-based budgeting method where every dollar has a job. It's either spent, saved, or invested. None is better than the other. It's all about identifying what works best for you. Budgeting is like a roadmap to your financial goals. It helps you navigate through the labyrinth of income and expenses, guiding you towards your saving goals. It allows you to pinpoint unnecessary expenses, those sneaky little costs that stealthily drain your wallet. Once you identify these, you can cut back, redirecting that money into your savings. And here's the best part, budgeting doesn't mean you have to give up everything you love. It's about making informed decisions. It's about understanding the difference between needs and wants, and making choices that align with your financial goals. You'll be surprised by how much you can save when you start budgeting. Those daily cups of coffee, the subscriptions you barely use, the impulse purchases, they all add up. By keeping track of these, you can make significant savings without making drastic lifestyle changes. By budgeting wisely, you can uncover hidden opportunities to save. It's time to pull that rabbit out of the hat, to reveal the magic of budgeting. So let's start this journey towards financial success together. Did you know that many of your bills are negotiable? Yes, you heard that right. Now let's dive into the world of negotiation, a skill that can open doors to significant savings. While many of us are accustomed to paying our bills and subscriptions without a second thought, there's a hidden opportunity here. With the right approach, you can negotiate these costs and save a substantial amount of money. So, how do you do it? Let's start with the basics. First, you need to know what you're paying for. Analyze your bills and subscriptions. Are there services you're not using? Are there charges you don't understand? Get familiar with every line item. Knowledge is power, and understanding your expenses is the first step in negotiating them down. Once you've got a firm grasp of your expenses, it's time to get on the phone. Contact your service providers and express your concerns about the cost. Be polite, yet firm. Explain that you're considering other options and ask if they can do anything to lower your bill. It's important to remember that the person on the other end of the line is likely just doing their job. So approach the conversation with empathy. You're more likely to get a positive response if you're respectful and understanding. If your initial request is rejected, don't give up. Ask to speak with a manager or someone who has the authority to adjust your bill. Remember, the goal is not to win an argument, but to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. If all else fails, consider switching providers. In many cases, companies offer competitive rates to attract new customers. Do your research and leverage these offers to negotiate with your current provider. In summary, negotiation is a powerful tool to reduce your expenses. It might seem daunting at first, but with practice it becomes second nature. So, the next time you're looking at a bill or subscription, remember to negotiate. Remember, every penny saved through negotiation is a penny earned. Frugality is not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter decisions with your money. Now let's dive into the art of frugality. Many people associate frugality with a stringent lifestyle or perhaps even a stingy one. However, that couldn't be further from the truth. The essence of frugality is simply about value. It's about making the most of what you have, getting the best bang for your buck, and minimizing wastage. Being frugal is about making smarter decisions, not about living a life of deprivation. It's about being aware of where your money is going and making it work for you. It's about choosing quality over quantity and experiences over possessions. How can you be frugal without compromising your lifestyle, you ask? Start small. Look at your daily habits. Do you buy a coffee every morning on your way to work? Consider brewing your own at home. It may seem like a small saving, but over the course of a year, it can add up significantly. Next, consider your shopping habits. Do you find yourself buying things you don't need just because they're on sale? Try to resist the temptation. Remember, a bargain is only a bargain if you are going to buy it anyway. Another aspect of frugality is being mindful about energy consumption. Turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when they're not in use, and using energy-efficient appliances can all contribute to a lower energy bill. Frugality also extends to your food habits. Planning meals, reducing food waste, and eating out less frequently can result in significant savings. All these small changes can add up to big savings over time. It's not about living a lesser life, but about living a smarter life. Being frugal is about being smart with your money, and the savings can be substantial. Once you start seeing the fruits of your frugality, you'll realize it's not about sacrifice, but about making more informed, conscious decisions about your spending. The art of frugality is truly a financial game changer. Saving money is not just about cutting costs, but also about growing your wealth. Now that we've established the importance of saving, budgeting, negotiation, and frugality, let's take a leap into the world of investing. Investing is the golden key to financial growth, a tool that can take your savings to the next level. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it. Over time, with patience and care, that seed grows into a tree, providing you with fruits year after year. In the same way, investing your money today can lead to substantial growth in the future. Now let's briefly explore the different avenues of investment. They come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own set of risks and rewards. Firstly, we have the stock market, a platform where shares of publicly held companies are issued and traded. It's a place where you can become a part owner of the companies you believe in. However, it requires a good understanding of market trends and individual companies' performance. Next, we have bonds, which are essentially loans that you give to the government or a corporation. In return, they pay you interest over a fixed period and return the principal amount at the end of the term. Then there are mutual funds, a pool of funds collected from various investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. It's a great option if you're new to investing and want to spread your risk. Real estate is another popular investment avenue. It involves buying property to rent out or resell at a higher price in the future. Lastly, we have retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs, which offer various tax benefits and are an excellent way to save for your golden years. Remember, each type of investment carries its own level of risk and potential return. Therefore, it's crucial to do your research, understand your financial goals, and gauge your risk tolerance before diving in. Investing is a powerful tool to grow your savings and secure your financial future. So start today, invest wisely, and watch your wealth grow over time. We've covered some powerful strategies to help you save up to 30% this year, but the journey doesn't stop here. Let's take a look back. Harnessing the power of saving, mastering the magic of budgeting, negotiating wisely to preserve your hard-earned money, cultivating frugality without sacrificing joy, and investing in your future. Each of these is a stepping stone on the path to financial success. But remember, the most important part is to take action. Start small, with a simple budget or a small investment. Watch your savings grow, and use that momentum to fuel your journey. The potential savings from these strategies aren't just numbers, they're opportunities. Opportunities for a better life, a secure future, and the freedom to pursue your dreams. Don't stop here. Train your brain for success with our proven program. Check out the link below and take the first step towards a financially secure future.